Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. I am back. Sort of. Finally. I am sorry that it has been about a week and a half since I've filmed. My videos might still be a little sporadic for the next week or two because I had my PRK. I'm seeing pretty decent. My vision's like 20/25 in one eye, 20/40 in the other. But one of the things with PRK is it takes like 3 to 6 months to completely heal. So the only side effect I'm kind of having right now is what's called ghosting. So like when my eyes get really fatigued, I'm almost seeing like a double vision, but not really. Maybe I can overlay something to show what it sort of looks like. It just looks blurry, but PRK is safer than LASIK, and that's why I went with it. But I got it done. It was terrifying. They gave me a double dose of Valium, and about 5 minutes later they took me into the laser room. So my Valium didn't have a chance to start taking effect, so I was panicking, and one of the doctors had to hold my hand, and we started talking about my cats, and then I was okay. But healing was a little crazy. It wasn't bad. The first night was a little rough. My eyes were tearing really bad. Not much discomfort though. The bad main thing was light sensitivity. For like the first 3 days I literally lived in my bedroom that has blankets on all the windows with the lights off with sunglasses on, but that is expected. So a week out, I can wear makeup except for eyeliner and mascara, so that is why my videos are kind of going to be here and there, because I can't really do, you know, like eyeshadow reviews without some mascara. It just wouldn't look right. And I have no makeup on my eyelids. I'm trying to not put anything on there just because I'm already putting makeup down here. I don't want to put even more makeup on if I don't have to. So yeah, so just bear with me. It's kind of a crappy time for me to have sporadic videos because it seems like all the big beauty gurus are on hiatus, and this would have been a fantastic time for me to like snipe in or jump in and try to get some good videos out that might get watched more than like 20 times. But anyway, I'm so sorry to digress so much. So because I can't do much of a makeup review, I'm doing an unboxing. I know it is the last day of May, but I got this late and then I had the PRK. But I'm going to unbox the Play by Sephora May 2019 box. It came super late, like I said, and a little damaged, so that's super fun. So I already wasted your time. I'm just gonna start opening this up. And I'm so sorry if you don't want to hear like my personal stories. I try to keep them short. Your 50 bonus points and the information sheet. As always, it comes in your little resealable bag. Oh, the first thing we have is getting donated because this gave me a terrible headache last time. It is by Sol de Janeiro. It is the Coco Cabana cream. This is supposed to be a coconut infused body cream that delivers intense hydration for 72 hours. And yes, this is very hydrating and awesome, but I tried this once in some sort of makeup subscription box I got, and I had the worst headache / migraine for the rest of the day. So I'm not even messing with this. Somebody else can appreciate it. You know, I feel like I haven't gotten perfume in a while, but here's perfume. It is by VIKTOR&ROLF Magic. It is salty flower perfume. I've never heard of that brand. I am sorry. Orange flowers mingle with cashmere and salty accord to create a fresh, magical fragrance. I really don't want to mess with this. I'm sorry. I usually don't mess with the perfumes. I'm very sensitive to stuff. Okay, this is amazing. I think I might already have 2 of these, so this will be 3, which I'm not mad. It is by Benefit. It is the BADgal Bang Volumizing Mascara. This mascara is fantastic. I've never even used the full size. I always just keep getting these travel size. And I really like the brush because number one, it's super long and it's like rubbery and grippy, so it really gets your lashes. So, okay, like that one. Ooh, and then by It Cosmetics, we have the Bye Bye Under Eye Eye Cream. So this is 0.169 ounces. This is super cute. I just really like It Cosmetic stuff. It's really nice, really hydrating. And this, my husband's gonna kill me. Last night I was looking for a mini fridge, like just a tiny personal mini fridge that fits like 6 cans of soda, because I really want like a beauty mini fridge for like some beauty products, and this just makes me want it even more, because this would be so good to put in the mini fridge and then put on in the mornings, because it would be nice and cool, and it would, you know, it would just help for puffiness and all that stuff. Let me know if I should get one. Maybe I'll help convince my husband that I should get one. Okay, and then by Alterna, we have a Caviar Restructuring Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protection Spray. Sorry that my hand is in the way. This is supposed to be a vitamin-rich leave-in spray that cares for and protects strands from heat damage. I need that. It protects up to 450 degrees. I don't go that high, but that is awesome. And then last from Smashbox, we have a super tiny lippy. It is the Always On Matte Lipstick in Stepping Out. So cute. I love these for like your purse. And it looks, it's on the dark side. Huh, like Star Wars. It's pretty though. I mean, it's not like your summer color. There's no scent that I can smell. That doesn't mean there isn't one, or like a taste when you put it on. But very, excuse me, but very nice. So out of the 6 products, you know, we kind of started off not so good. I thought this was going to be like a crappy box. You know, these 2 guys, the lotion and the perfume, no, but everything else I really liked, and I am going to try for sure. I'm going to use them, especially the mascara. So I think even if you just want a really good mascara, like this probably retails for like $12, and the Sephora Play box with tax retails for $11. So that right there saves you $1. So that alone makes me tell you that you should go ahead and try this box. This is a good month. You know, 4 out of 6 is pretty good. Some months there's like one thing that I like, but 4 out of 6 is pretty good. So that is it for this month's box. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry it is so late, but I guess better late than never. And hopefully I will get back to filming makeup videos soon. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.